at this thing.
Welcome back to the channel. We got snow, so I'm coming out here to clean up and clear out some of the snow. You can see that I could barely get the door open because they built this deck right up flush to the door. That's always a bad idea, guys. We're gonna have to pull these decks off and rebuild them when it comes spring or summer, because you never want your deck straight up to your door. That's how you get snow piling against your door and water getting into your house and ruining your floors. Build them down. Go down, 6 or 8 inches if you have to. Get your decks down away from your doors. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of shoveling, a little bit of clearing out. Tomorrow we got some really cool stuff to pick up. We got some good packages coming. Stuff that we ordered, we've been waiting for. I'm excited to share that with you. We'll definitely share some of that with you. We've had some people saying, hey, where are you guys? Where's the videos? I'm sorry, we've been away for so long. We just have been preparing for something big. So we're out here in the barn now because I got to get the snow blower out to clear out the driveway. But while I'm out here, I wanted to give you guys a mule update. You know that Ashley has been wanting a mule. We bought the hay, we got the stall ready, we got buckets in place, and we're about to do fencing. The good news is that Ashley found a mule that she wants. She's been talking, we've both been talking to the owner. We've come to an agreement. And he's getting a health certificate and everything so that we can make sure the mule's at all in good health and everything like that. And we're hoping to get the mule here before the end of the month. So we're really excited about that, and that means we really got to push to finish up every little thing that needs to be done before they come. I'm going to let that snowblower warm up for a couple minutes, but I have some more good news. We've been looking around for a companion animal for the mule. We don't want it to be alone. We know that's important for them to be with another animal, and we might have found one. We're going to go check out another animal on Friday, this Friday. There's no guarantees, but we're going to go check it out. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm not going to tell you anything about it, except for we are looking for a companion, and I hope that we found it this Friday. Well, I'm done snow blowing. Driveway looks good. I got a cleared path to the garage, which is going to be really important in the days coming. I think we're going to start that house remodel soon, so stay tuned for that. The reason we've been slow on starting our remodeling is because we're planning a big remodel. We're not just going to paint the paneling, it's all coming out. So it takes time to get together the tools, the supplies, everything we need. Maybe I'll show you the back bedroom before we end this video so I can show you guys some of the stuff we've already gotten. We've been getting ready for everything. Things are slow sometimes. You can't rush. You just got to get prepared and take it one day at a time. Go with the flow. That's what we always say. Guys, it's beautiful out here. Look at this. Let me take you up there and show you. We own this. House is down here. It is so cool out here. We're just out here getting settled in to our new home, so that's all. The videos are slow, but guys, we're here with you. We didn't give up. We're just out here having fun, enjoying our new property, and getting ready for everything that's ahead. Well, I'm back inside, but it got too dark to see in the back bedroom. The lighting back there is really bad, and there's just no way to really show you everything. This is what we got. We got insulation. We got rolls of plastic. And we even got a drywall lift that you saw us putting together at the beginning of this video. And that's going to be so handy. As you can tell, we're not doing a little remodel. We're going to be doing a complete renovation of this house. We're converting it straight from a mobile home to a real house. You know, I know mobile homes are houses, but it's going to be like
Yeah.
no more paneling, no more like we're going to rebuild any weak structure.
All of the ceilings will have drywall, and we don't want to lift those by hand.
So we got a drywall lift so that we can hoist the drywall up and screw it to the ceiling with ease. That's why it's taking a while to get into this project, because there's actually a lot of stuff that we have to get before we start.
We still need to get the drywall and some lumber.
Yep, but it's coming soon. We're accumulating our tools and supplies and just kind of a little at a time, and we'll get working on that. So we got two exciting things happening: Ashley's mule adventure and my house work. It's kind of like we both share it all a bit. I think more. I'm doing the house and she's doing the animals.
Yeah.
Right? So that's our update for today. I'm telling you, we got another one coming soon because I want to show you what we're getting in the mail tomorrow. That's going to be exciting. So stay tuned for that. But until next time, take care.
Bye.